I can certainly ride that DRZ better than this motorcycle in this terrain. But this one's a way more fun on the highway. So ABS and this type of stuff will get you certainly hurt. If you're going to ride this type of terrain, this steep, you need an ABS disconnect, an ABS switch. I don't have one yet, but by the end of this riding season, Lord willing, I will. I'll make some small upgrades this year. I couldn't keep up with him if I had a DRZ either. He's ex-pro racer, so it doesn't matter what I got. I'm not keeping up with him. I can already tell you guys that. That was ABS. You hear it? Listen. ABS. But if you use it the front and the rear and look at engine brake, not so bad. Rear ABS only. Front rear engine brake, yeah.